How to update CapCut application. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can update CapCut. Now the process is quite simple. The first and foremost thing, the easiest way to update your CapCut is you can simply head into your Play Store or App Store on your device, depending on your device that you use, and then from the Play Store you can search in for CapCut here simply, and once you search in for CapCut you can tap on it and open it up, and if the update is available you'll get the update option instead of this open option that you can see on the screen right now. Simply tap on update and your app will be updated. However, if the update is out already and you're not being able to get it on your device only, and your friends have got it and you know the update is out but you still don't get the update, then you might want to force the update. And how do you force the update, right? Simply scroll down the notification bar, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. So under settings you want to scroll down all the way below and head into apps option. Under apps you want to search in from the search panel for CapCut, and once you search it simply tap on it, and once you tap on it scroll down and head into storage option, and here you want to tap on clear data option and then tap on delete. Once you do so your app will be resetted, and then head back to Play Store and search in for CapCut again and update it. The update will be available now. Once you do so you'll get the update. So this way you can update CapCut. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.